what's guys, welcome back to a Scratch tutorial of how to make a simple collector game on Scratch. So first, we're gonna delete the original cat sprite, sorry. Then we're gonna choose 6 sprites of my own. You can change them if you want to, but I think these 6 are good. Apple, banana, pufferfish, orange, strawberry, watermelon. So these are the 6 sprites we need. So first, let's go to the pufferfish. And let's go to when green flag clicked, and then forever. Go to if, then duplicate this 5 times. And then go to operators, and then get the or. And then go to sensing, and then go to key space pressed. Then put it in the other one. Then put it inside the if. And then duplicate it, and then put it in 4 of the if then. And the 5th one, keep it. But put like a key space, like a normal without the or in the 5th one. Then, so why we're doing this is so we can do WASD and or arrow keys to control the pufferfish. So we can have up arrow, down arrow, or right arrow, left arrow. So up arrow, that means we're gonna go up, so change Y by 10. Right arrow will go X by 10. Left arrow would be X by -10. So let's change it and make it -10. And then down arrow would be change Y by 10, but it will be negative, so it can be -10. And then key space pressed, the 5th one down, will go to control and then repeat 10. And then let's duplicate this twice. And then change the 10, make it 6 for both of them. And then go to control and then go to wait 1 second. Change this and make it 0.05 seconds. And then in the repeat 6, let's go to looks and then change size by. So change size by 40 and then duplicate it, and then we're gonna have change size by -40. So this will make like a puffing effect. So I made a mistake. So apparently the up arrow is W, but the right arrow is D, and left arrow is A, and down arrow is S. So now you can see here, and then if I press space, I can puff. But now if I press green flag again, I'll just be in the same position. So if we go to motion, then go to, now let's make it just 0, 0. So then if we press green flag, it always makes me in the middle of the screen. Now let's add a backdrop. So let's go to backdrops, choose a backdrop, and then go to underwater, and then underwater 1. So that's the backdrop. So that's it for the pufferfish. So now let's go to the apple. So let's go to when green flag clicked, forever, if then, sensing, touching, then make this pufferfish. Go to random position, let's put it 1 outside of the forever loop and 1 in the forever loop. And then go to variables and then rename the my variable and then make it points and then show it. So change points by, let's say 3. Play sound bite until done. So now we duplicate this and put it into the banana. But let's make the banana 5 points. And then let's duplicate it into the orange and let's make it 6 points. The orange. And also let's make it bigger, the orange. So let's go to set size. Then make this 175 instead of 100. Then we go to the strawberry and duplicate it. And let's get rid of the 175 because the strawberries all already like pretty big. And let's make it 7 points. And then duplicate it into the watermelon. Let's make the watermelon 4. So now it will work. And also we can hear the chomping or biting sound. So you can get a lot of points. Now if I press green flag, I still have points 251. So if we go to pufferfish, let's go to variables, set points to 0. And also set size to 100%. Now let's go to another one green flag clicked on the pufferfish, forever, variable, new variable, make a variable, time. And then go to change, make it time, change point or time by -0.1. And then forever, and then let's go to control and then wait 0.1 seconds. And then we'll put it over here. And also variables, set time to 30. when green flag clicked, forever, if, or, in here, less than or equal to, and let's make this 50, let's change it and make it 0. And then replace the empty space with time, and then stop all. So now we can see here the time is 30, and then if it hits 0, it's gonna just stop the whole game. You can't even see anything, or nothing would happen. And if you didn't believe me, here it is. So time is right now 3, 2, and then I'm moving right now, and then it doesn't move. So basically that's how it works. Paint. I know the drawing's really bad, I'm sorry. But now let's change its name. Right now it's sprite 1. Let's make it enemy. Or when green flag clicked, forever. Then glide 1 seconds to random position. Let's make this pufferfish and then change 1, make it 1.4. And now we'll go back to the pufferfish. And then we go to events. And then forever. If touching enemy, so sensing, touching mouse pointer, make it enemy. Just stop all, stop everything. And then also one last thing to the pufferfish. We'll go to when green flag clicked, forever. Switch costume to pufferfish B, switch costume to pufferfish C, and then pufferfish D. Wait 1 second. Let's do for every single one of these. Wait 1 second. So over here and here, and that's it. Let's make it actually 0.5 seconds for each one. I think that's better, right? Also, I forgot something on the enemy. Go to X, let's make it 300, and also Y. Y 300. So we'll give you some time to react. But what I was talking about is, look, now the fish has like effects on its face. So there it is. That's basically it. That's how you can make a simple collector game on Scratch. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn that button gray, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.